Hey guys, Taylor here, National Sales Director for Devices at ChromebookParts.com. Today we're going to be checking out the TWT Audio TW220. As usual, we have the resealable bags. I would suggest keeping these just to store in year over year if you're using them every day, using them during testing season. Your standard over-the-ear headset. You have a boom mic that has some flex in it. Doesn't really feel like it's adjustable because it doesn't want to stay where you put it, but a little bit of flexibility. Hard stops at both the fully active point and fully muted point. We have braided cables to make them chew and abrasion resistant. Inline volume control. This one's a button volume control, which you might love that about it. I prefer the dial. It seems to be a little bit easier, more infinitely adjustable. This one being the TW220. The 20 at the end of it signifies that it's a USB-A. Overall, for the feel and durability, it's good durability. I'd be a little afraid to bend it too far that way. Nice positive stops on adjustment. Seems like that would stay in place well. I do like the stitching that they put in here around the ear pad, just so you don't have anything slipping, any wires coming out that run through. Overall, for an over-ear headset, it's basic, but basic isn't bad. Along with the TW220, they do have the same setup, just without a microphone, so purely a headphone in the TW200. This one is a 3.5 millimeter jack. Solid jack, steel reinforced, so it's going to be much less prone to breaking in your device. Same exact headset, just without the volume control, 3.5 and no microphone. So that's TWT's DURO series. Their TW200 and their TW220. Looking forward to seeing you next time.